Skilled worker visa. A skilled worker visa allows you to come to or stay in the UK to do an eligible job with an approved employer. In this video, we are going to discuss the following topics. Number 1, job eligibility. Number 2, knowledge of English. Number 3, how much it costs. Number 4, documents you will need to apply. Number 5, how you can apply. Number 6, how long it takes to get a decision.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Hello and welcome to my channel. Before we dive into the details, please subscribe to the channel to receive regular such updates. If you have any queries, you may wish to join and ask on the WhatsApp group, link in the description below. Let's begin with today's topics. Number 1, job eligibility. You must meet all the following requirements to be eligible for a skilled worker visa. Number 1, your job is eligible for this visa. Number 2, you will be paid the minimum salary or the going rate for the type of work you will be doing, whichever is higher. Number 3, you will be working for a UK employer that's been approved by the Home Office. You will usually need to be paid at least £25,600 per year unless the going rate for your job is higher than this. Each occupation code has its own annual going rate. The going rate list can be accessed via gov.uk website. You must have a job offer from an approved UK employer before you apply for a skilled worker visa. Approved employers are also known as sponsors. Because they are sponsoring you to come to or stay in the UK, the list of the approved UK employers can be accessed via gov.uk website. Your employer, also known as your sponsor, will give you a certificate of sponsorship. The certificate of sponsorship is an electronic record. It will have a reference number which you will need for your visa application. You must apply for your visa within 3 months of getting your certificate of sponsorship. Number 2, knowledge of English. You must prove you can read, write, speak and understand English to at least level B1 on the Common European Framework of Reference for Languages, or shortly CEFR scale. You can prove your knowledge of English by passing a secure English language test from an approved provider, having a GCSE A-level, Scottish National Qualification Level 4 or 5, having a degree level academic qualification that was taught in English. Number 3, how much it costs. If you are applying from outside the UK, the standard visa application fee depends on whether you will be in the UK for up to 3 years, which costs £610 per person. For more than 3 years, costs £1,220 per person. If you are applying from inside the UK to extend, switch or update your visa, the standard fee depends on whether you will be in the UK for up to 3 years, which costs £704 per person. For more than 3 years, costs £1,408 per person. You and your family will pay a lower application fee if your job is on the shortage occupation list. The fee for each person applying is £464 if you are staying for up to 3 years and £928 if you are staying for more than 3 years. You must have at least £1,270 in your bank account to show you can support yourself in the UK. You will need to have had the money available for at least 28 days in a row. Number 4, documents you will need to apply. Number 1, your certificate of sponsorship reference number. Your employer will give you this. Number 2, proof of your knowledge of English. Number 3, a valid passport or other documents that shows your identity and nationality. Number 4, your job title and annual salary. Number 5, your job's occupation code. Number 6, the name of your employer and their sponsor's license number. This will be on your certificate of sponsorship. In addition, you will need to provide a criminal record certificate if you are applying from outside the UK and you work in education, healthcare, therapy, and social services. Number 5, how you can apply. You must apply online for a skilled worker visa. As part of your application, you will need to prove your identity. How you do this depends on where you are from and what type of passport you have. You will either, number 1, have your fingerprints and photographs taken at a visa application center. This is to get a biometric residence permit or BRP. Number 2, use the UK Immigration ID Check app to scan your identity documents, and you will also create or sign into your UK Visas and Immigration UKVI account. Number 6, how long it takes to get a decision. You will usually get a decision within 3 weeks. You will be contacted if your application will take longer, for example, because your supporting documents need to be verified, you need to attend an interview, of your personal circumstances, for example, if you have criminal convictions. Thank you very much for listening. If you haven't subscribed to the channel already, please consider subscribing to the channel for more updates.